Hey, what's up? It's the handyman here. I've got a little dirty job today. I'm gonna knock these shocks out. I'm gonna put these new shocks on the front of the Chevy. You can tell your shocks are bad when your tires are wearing like these are. You can see this one is higher than that, and it's kind of a cupping. They get cupped out. If you run your hand on here, you could feel the cupping, and it's from these things bouncing. You can see it. You can see it with the naked eye really good. I don't know how it's coming out on this camera, but you can tell the wear is on this tread here. You can tell it's all jacked up. This is all shock damage. So they'll come back. They'll wear back the way they're supposed to. Just I caused a little premature wear on these $800 set of tires, which are probably $1,100 to replace now. Fortunately, I got this before it's too late. So, hey, don't forget to subscribe. I need subscribers to the channel. Subscribe up. Bottom nut. I don't know that there's any particular order you need to do this in, but first try, 15/16. Ready? Boom. Are you kidding? It's too big. Try this again. Well, third time's a charm. I can't even see if it's on there or not. This thing in ½ inch. I know the new one ain't that small. Good golly. That's it. 16. Come here. Oh, boy. Nothing can be as easy as it should be. It's not coming off there, as you can see. This is shocks. It's a simple shock job. Are you kidding me? I can't just, take them off. It's ridiculous. Let me see what the problem is here. Alright. Hit it with a little penetrating oil. And got there's a flat spot on the top of the post, so that you can hold it steady, and you can take it off by hand. Of course, I would have rather taken it off there with the impact gun, but that would have been too easy. We gotta do things the hard way everywhere.
Shock is worthless. This thing's been bouncing up and down 50 times per bump. Yeah, this shock looks like crap. Alright. We got a pretty new yellow shock. I need to get a Band-Aid on that.
Alright, all bandaged up now. That stupid finger it's made itself a big star in my videos. It's probably like that. Wow. That's... Oh, I see. Got to go up some. I want to jack this bottom up. I'll take me a bottle jack, put it underneath this here. Oh well, that's it. See here? Put this bottle jack under here. Put it on that little bolt. Right there. And then jack this thing up. And that should work. Oh, dirty. These shocks are made in USA too, boy. made in the US of A. So you know they're good. Best money can buy. Got her all locked up there. See the bolt, the nut right there they put on here to hold it. You can use the top thing, but you don't have to. Not with this. And then I got that torqued down with the gun. That's all there's to it. That's actually not too bad. Whew, well, got them done. Quite a job. Got the tires rotated, shocks replaced, everything's done. I wanted to show you these shocks. You can see this one's, it's you can see where it's been losing its hydraulic fluid. It's so they're toast. They should have been replaced years ago, really. But they just started bouncing in the last few months. The ones that are on there look a lot beefier and stronger than new ones. I had to cut the top of this one off because it was rusted so bad at the bolt. This part here where you put the little flat wrench on it, it rounded. It was so hard to get it off there. This one looks like it's in better shape, but it wasn't. It was worse. I had to cut it with a hacksaw. Just wanted to let you see the shocks and see the aftermath. I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Hand to hand out. Bye bye.